Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access and use the paper search feature in Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this, guys. So, excuse me, what you want to do is navigate to your account on Consensus AI, and let's assume, for instance, you don't want to start any new thread or conversation with Consensus AI, but instead would like to conduct a paper search and look for specific sources, for example, about a specific topic for academic texts from an institution like university or journal, scientific journal. You may do that by navigating to this tool here on the left hand side, paper search, and then you will see, for example, that search field here. So type in the topic you would like to look for study and research papers from institutions that are listed here in Consensus AI. For example, as you can see, I just for the sake of this tutorial typed in the search term Zealandia, the continent, and you will see, for example, several or a list of sources that have or may contain information and data about the given topic. That you will see, for example, labels like this one here, highly cited in studies, for example. So what you want to do, guys, is use that. You may also apply a filter here on the right hand side, filter by publish year, journal rank, citations, a minimum number of citations, for example, fields of study, of course, and so on and so forth. You can also switch the view from default to compact or download and export the entire list. And yeah, click into this button here to conduct the search, or press enter, and then you will see the list here. And that's how it works, guys. So if I scroll down, I'll be given the opportunity to click into load more results. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.